Good morning.
Dad's got rice and spaghetti.
You got rice?
And spaghetti.
Wow, it's spaghetti. It's good? It's yummy. It's alright. How about you, Baba? Parang pinagtipidan kayo ng sauce. Baba, don't wipe on your clothes, Baba, ha?
Mom, I want rice, please, Mom.
You want rice? Okay, I get your rice. Guys, nakaligo na ako. And mayroon kaming unplanned na pupuntahan. Punta tayo saan yun?
Sa zoo.
Parang feeding, mag-feed ka ng mga animals. Hindi ko pa yun napuntahan. So sabi ko, okay. And then, maghiram ako kay Race. Ito yung
Dyson.
Daiso, Japanese. Daiso na hair dryer. Ayan, oh. I-try natin.
I-hide ko sa'yo.
Ah, sige.
Ikaw.
Paano? Hindi ko alam.
Ito lang, ganun lang.
Ah, okay. Sige. Nakita naman. I-try natin doon. So, hindi siya mainit lang. Nasaan tayo naman? Ang ganda, oh.
I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong and I'll stay.
Ay, malaki.
Nagtry mo ng ikulot?
Oo, konti. Pero mas mas...
Ito magkakaw hindi ako. Okay.
Kaya nga. Okay na yun? Sige. Tapos, change mo siya.
Ang bilis. Akala ko gagawin. Gagamit ka ng ano.
Tapos, ito,
Sana hindi ko siya
lang
magustuhan.
natin.
Hindi ko siya magustuhan.
Sana hindi mo magustuhan. Bali ito, bali onion. Tapos yan yung cold na hangin. Ah, wait,
Sige,
wait sa saan ba ito?
Kahit ano, kasi gusto ko lang wait. Kahit ano.
Papunta doon. Wait sa... Nakakatakot tatay. Wait sa... Ganun din kasi. Hindi naman ito mainit.
Pag naput.
Tingnan mo to. Tingnan mo sa salamin. Ah, wait sa... Nakita mo? Nagano siya. Kasama siya. Oo.
Ah, hindi ka ang magaganon.
Hindi. Kasi ganun mo. Ilapit mo lang. Mga 10 seconds. Tapos i-cold mo.
Ang maganda siya. Kasi yung hot then cold.
Mag-dry na ba?
Ito maganda kasi hindi mo siya gaganon.
Ayan, cold na cold na.
Pwede mo pa siya isa.
Tapos i-off mo lang. Ayun.
Ayun, oo. Umulot ka siya. Maganda, no? Hindi, kasi gaganon natin siya. Ilalus natin
Sige.
siya.
Ano natin? Damihan natin.
Sige.
Tapusin natin?
Oo.
Sige ha.
Ano siya ha? Pag hindi mo pa alam, parang
Oo, gagawin ko nga eh.
So, okay kasi, parang loose lang yung ano.
Tapos i-cold mo.
Magaan siya, ha? Hindi siya mabigat.
Oo, hindi mabigat. Tapos ano siya, maganda siya kasi meron siyang cold setting.
And I didn't understand that you are the one. And I can't wait to see you again.
What's up, cold?
Ang sarap dito, oh. Cold.
Ay, meron ano. Ah, sige, ikaw.
O, diba? Ganyan lang.
Ayun nga! Ang ganda nga sa'yo eh.
Ganyan lang. Sige ko lang, no? Tsaka madalian siya. Hindi siya yung pahirapan.
Kung gusto mo ng
Ang ganda niya, guys. Oh.
hairspray, meron ako yan.
Pag ganun lang siya. O, diba? Hindi siya masyadong... Yung loose lang yung ano niya, oh. Ganyan. Gusto ko ganito lang, oh.
Loose waves?
Oo.
Ganda.
Ayan na, guys. Maganda siya, tsaka ang gaan-gaan. Dapat hindi ko ito magustuhan. Kita niyo na. Pakita ko sa inyo. Nahol na to ni Simple Race. Ayan siya.
Mabigat siya. Dami na.
Oo. Ayan, ang dami niyang ganap sa loob, oh. Ang dami. So, ayan. Ayan na, guys, yung ating itsura. Pinakialaman ko yung makeup dito ni Race. Yan ang mga nilagay ko sa aking face. And then, tinali ko to kasi gusto ko yung wavy dito. Ang ganyan. Ganyan, ah. Tapos yan. Hinihintay na lang namin mag alas 2.
Alas 2 tayo alis? O dapat alas 2 na lalo tayo?
1:30 na. Ewan ko. Tanong natin yung boy. Ito, nagpalit ako ng hikaw na yung eto lang, oh. And, ganyan lang tayo. Yung parang maniningil outfit lang tayo ngayon. So, palis na kami. Guys, dito na kami. Nagda-drive na kami papunta dun sa animal feeding. Hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan. Ang ganda ng scenery dito, guys. Tingnan nyo, wait. Ayan. Kanina maganda. What is it?
Fatty.
Yes. We're up in the mountain. Paikot-ikot kami, guys. Para siyang dito ka, papuntang Quezon Province.
50.
Yeah.
What?
Is Holly asleep?
Yeah, I don't know.
She is.
Oh, look, there's the river.
Tulog na si Holly.
I just stayed.
Why?
Guys, this feels
Si Kuya matatakotin
What?
kasi may mga para siyang bangin-bangin.
God, I feel like I'm gonna hit the thing on this side.
Why are you going to do that?
Kasi ang napaka-narrow ng road.
Oh, look.
And yung mga stone,
There's power lines on it.
yung mga stone, ayan lang, kalapit ni Kuya. Kaya sabi niya, natatakot siya. Parang may hit daw siya. Ayan o, tingnan niyo. Ayan o. Si Kuya natatakot.
Liner.
may water guys.
Not again. You gotta go back around. No.
Si Kuya na rin. Si Kuya natatakot.
Yeah, look, something's happened. Yeah, knew it.
O, tama. Mayroong na-flatan.
I told you to stay.
Ayan. Paakyat kami ng bundok, guys. Yung sarap namin sila Rachel.
Dad, were you on the white line?
Look, we got kids.
Nakita nyo yan, mayroon siyang net para yung mga bato hindi mahulog. Ayan. Naka-cover siya. Paakyat na kami ng bundok. Ang ingay, Han. What's that sound?
He went on.
Ngayon yung side dito bangin. And dito naman mga bato. Pero wala siyang nets. Ayun. Ayun, meron dun ah.
Look at that.
Ayan, may net siya. Tapos bangin. Bangin doon.
Let's go down
Ayan.
there. Look at this, look at this. This is like, you know.
See? Tinan yung mga bato.
Tree. Look at all this stuff.
Look, nakita niyo yun ah. Ayan yung isa.
Right
Ah,
down there.
that's where we from, Han, right? Yeah, doon tayo galing sa baba.
Dad, how can I make this?
Did you
Oh,
say?
this.
Not me.
Look at
Big
that.
dam.
Irrigation.
And the
No, it's a big
waterfall.
dam.
Water?
A waterfall.
Have a look
Water?
size
Honey,
that.
watch out.
Have a look at the size of that hole.
Diba? Na-amaze
Look.
ka. Yeah. Hindi yung makita guys, ang lalim eh.
They're building a waterfall.
Cut all that out. Well, they've cut that out.
Si Jen, oh. Ando no. Yung kasi
Dad,
makita,
that's a
oh.
waterfall.
Look, there's the dam. Look.
Yeah, that one. Ayun yung tubig, oh.
That road. It's not a road, Zach. It's a waterfall.
It's not waterfall.
What is it? Kangaroo Creek Dam upgrade. Look.
Good.
Nandiyan yung tubig, oh.
Dad,
Si Kuya, takot na takot kasi daming paikot-ikot. Tingnan niyo si Kuya. Oh.
where are we gonna be there?
Tapos, meron kami mga nakikita na may mga bulaklak na pag meron parang maliit na poste na may mga bulaklak, ibig sabihin merong aksidente doon. Tapos, kasi parang napaka-dangerous dito mag-drive, lalo na pag gabi. Or wag kang mag-drive dito pag lasing ka. Kasi sobrang nakakatakot yung daan. Si Kuya, tingnan mo. Si Kuya sabi niya, sana daw nagstay na lang daw siya sa bahay. Si Kuya, matatakutin. Si Sak hindi.
Good.
Oh, not again. Natatakot si Kuya. Kuya, it's alright.
Tia, why don't kill you? Holy crap. Well, I feel like I'm hitting the things on that side.
Kasi
What side?
This side on.
No, the other side. The side on your side.
Ayan, eto kasi, ito yung kalapit namin, parang mga bangin-bangin. Yung kanina, ang lalim. Eto wala nga lang. O, tapos ayan, may patubig niya naman siya. Takot na takot si Kuya. Inaangat niya na yung kanyang paa.
Now?
Ayan siya, oh.
Look.
Si Saksa, tingnan niyo, oh. Yan, dito na kami, guys.
You need to lift her. You can say that.
Dito yung parang souvenir. And dito magbabayad kami dito. May entrance. Ah, meron na? Ngayon. Ah, tapos na? Sila na talaga. Nakabayad na pala kami online. Magkano yun? For family, $26. Mura lang. Mura lang siya, guys. For family, $26. O 5 kami. Ewan ko kila rin kung magkano sa kanila. Hindi ko din alam. Ito yung ano, yung animal food, guys. Oh, $2.50. So, bibilin pa natin to. Ayan, bibili natin yan. Animal.
Open up the top.
That one. No, look at Tito Dan. Kuya, come on. Kuya, Holly, we're going. Si Kuya. No, Kuya. It's a thank you. Just look after her. Come on, come on. Oh.
What is Daddy?
Go to Daddy.
Daddy! Calling my food.
Not, don't run, Baba. Don't run. You have to. You're gonna feed the animal, Baba. Ano? Ayoko niya. Nasaan siya? Please be aware. Mayroon silang ganyan. Holy, kitang-kita ka ng animal. Kasi naka-yellow ka. Siya yung umaangat.
Si Holly parang
Tawa ko doon.
paano yan?
Funny yan. Guys, dito na kami. Sabi ko sa'yo, malamig eh.
TJ! TJ!
Sak! Look! It looks, hi! Ayun yung monkey, oh. Ito kasama ko, para naman ito.
Saya mo talaga.
You got the kangaroos, you can do the camels. Whoa, look.
Baba, what's that, Baba? What's that? What's that? Monkey.
There you go. He's trying to get the stick, look.
Oo, para ipampalo sa'yo, Kuya.
That's like a real
Gala.
Australian bird.
That's like a
Australian bird?
Gala.
Gala.
Bloody gala.
Bug.
bloody gala.
Your body gala.
Yun na sa married at first sight.
Ito yan?
Sabi niya, bloody gala.
Okay, yeah. Ayan o, pink siya. Oh, yan ang ibon ng Australia daw.
That's an Australian bird, boy.
Oh, Australian. Australian bird. Ayun. May pa-sound effects. Sana nakuha ko yung pa-sound effect.
You have to hear the noise. Three tunes, Zachary.
Careful, Zach.
Get ready. Hold it.
Ay! Go, Zach! Go, Zach! Go, Zach! Put your bag. Put your bag, Zach. No, you have to put your bag. You don't throw like the... Look at Tito Dan.
He's a bloody scary animal, I'll give you that.
Si Zach natawa. Go, Zach! I thought you're tough. Ay! Grabe siyang man. Go, Zach! Feed! Huh? Come on.
Hey, be careful.
Be careful. That's not animal, Baba. That's a... That's not animals. That's a human.
Don't waste your food because there's
Hoy, there's more sack.
Get one.
Get one.
Kangaroo.
Go, Baba. Yeah, no, yeah. Go, look at Tito Dan. Look at Tito Dan. Like that. Okay. Okay, go, Baba. Go, Baba.
Put it on your palm.
Oh, let's go. It's not a goat. It's a kangaroo. One more, Baba. One more. One more, Baba. You have to do this, Baba, like this. Look at mommy. Look at mommy. See, look.
Ah, golly.
Golly. Go. Put.
Oh, good job.
Good job, Baba. Put on your palm. Pati ikaw takot si Tita Rin. Go, Baba. Good job.
Open your palm.
Yay.
Coming in so much.
Maybe she's full. Okay, come on, Baba. I'll take your photo, Baba. Baba, whoa. Whoa. I'll take your photo there, Baba. Kuya, that's too much, Baba.
Following me.
It's alright. It's alright. Go, Baba. Go, Baba.
Put it in your hand. Like that.
Good job.
What?
Good job.
Look into my eyes and show me your adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life it is the
Ano mo ah? Dami.
Let me see, Baba. Go feed the Baba.
Good job, Golly.
And look at mommy.
Sa mga boys.
Look at mommy and smile. Look at mommy. Yeah.
Dili.
Good job.
Kasi maganda yung contrast.
Oh. Baba, how about this one? How about the white one? Go, Baba.
Put it in your hand, flat. Put it in your palm.
Okay.
Palm like that, yep. Then flat, like open wide. Open wide, bud. Yeah, like
That's
that.
okay.
Good
That's
job.
okay. That's okay.
Good job.
Look at mommy and smile. Look at mommy.
Ali.
Baba, look at mommy and smile. Baba. Oh, cool. Oh, ano to? Kangaroo pa to?
Ito?
Stay there, hon. Stay there, honey.
Look into my eyes and show me your adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life it is the spot. Walking on fantasy. So take me, baby, take me to.
No, enjoy siya. It's all. Are you happy here? Okay, be careful. Are you happy? Baba, are you happy? Baba, I'm asking you, Baba, are you happy? Okay, thank you. Oh. May ano siya, oh, ala. Pinipis siya papunta kay Santa. Kuya, save some, Baba. Save some. Si Holly talaga, enjoy siya. Baba, just a little bit, ha? Yeah, drop it. Dito na kami sa mga mga malalaking animals, guys. Papunta na kami sa camel. Come on, Baba, there's a camel, Baba, come on.
There's a big one.
Yeah, come on, the big one. Si Kuya takot. Yeah.
Oh, my cute na kangaroo.
Baba, come on. Ang kangaroo kahit sa ano. Baba, nasaan ka na, Baba? Come on. Dito, in a corn. Baba, there's more here, Baba. Come on. Another one? Okay, come on. Look at the camel.
Did you fall over?
No.
I don't know. Did you fall over, Baba? Ay, wala na yung outfit mo. Ha? A big one?
Not riggy. You said riggy.
Yeah, you did that.
Finish up.
Roll that, touch you.
He won't come.
That one there is getting nothing. Oh.
Don't try and feed this.
You wanna? Hey.
Yeah, it's going lag.
You're alright. No, Papa, you have.
I'll show you.
Come, put in your hand. It's not gonna hurt you, Baba.
Raise off like this.
Yeah.
So when it opens its mouth, you drop it in. It's not going to bite.
can't reach it. Reach out. Put it in his mouth. Hurry up. Another shot.
Ano? Papa, Holly will do it. Holly, you want to do it? Baba, feed. No. That's scary.
No, see? Tito Dan.
Look at Tito Dan.
Just drop it. In his mouth.
What about this one here?
That one.
That's how it comes.
Look, Holly.
Aww. Look at you.
Gawin mo. Dali na naman.
Not that enough na.
Wait, man na. Dapat.
Put your hand out and hurry up, tip it in his mouth.
Okay, go.
Lalamunin ako
Push
sa
mo yan.
One more. Holly, can you hold your... Kuya, hold this, kuya. Hoy. Cute. Oh, tingnan mo, hinawakan niya pa yung kamay ni Dan. Yan yung mga monkey pang iba. Oh, maliliit. Maliliit sila yung kanina, yung sa first sa may entrance ang lalaki. Ito naman ang liliit. Oh. Dito.
What have you got here?
Are you happy? Good girl. Ano oh, bats.
I've got to go this way.
Oh, yun oh.
Oh, new cat.
Ayun. Di ba madami nito sa atin sa Palawan? Are you happy?
Oh,
Haha.
over the moon.
Baho siya dito. But we're not allowed to feed here. We're not allowed to feed.
See, Holly, right?
Ayan oh. Ito yung ano, meerkat. Andun siya sa ano, sa may ilaw na
Watch
pula.
your head, Bob.
Have you seen it, Baba? Yeah? Watch your head, ah? No. We're not allowed to feed it, Baba. We're not allowed to feed him. It's alright. We're gonna feed more animals up there, okay? Okay. Ayan siya, oh. Ayan siya, oh. Ayan yung meerkat. Okay, I'm coming. Hello, galit siya. Galit siya, oh.
It's even got
He'll go, yeah.
Galit siya, oh. Tingnan mo. Ali, look at this monkey, Baba. Galit sila, Baba, oh.
He's angry.
They're angry.
Don't want to get another one.
You cannot feed them, Baba. They might bite you.
Smack a match. We dropped it over sticking them when that way.
That way, Dad. He's like, I will get you.
No, you put a piece of the food.
Tingnan mo, ang galit siya, oh.
With the stick.
Dagit sila. Dagit. Galit sila, oh.
It's like you can't give them too much attention. Like maybe little pretty.
Ano to? Wombat? Anong meron dyan? parang nakakatakot naman. Ah! Nagulat mo na ako sa... Bakit? Nasaan?
Kasi kailangan dark sila.
Ah! Ang tulog. Baba, don't knock, Baba. Tulog pa sila.
Parang malaking baboy.
Baboy, no? Knock, knock, Holly.
One here.
There's murder, Baba.
Oh, I don't like him, huh?
Ayan, oh, ay, ang laki niya. Sinarahan niya ako. An! An! Oh, man. Buang ka. Sira ulo to. Ano na to? Saan na tayo?
Oh, that's just
Oo. Mga ibon. Wala.
the old iron.
Look at his face. He's like,
Look at Holly. What's that? That, Baba? Yeah, you can feed. Ano yan?
Ay, mga birds sa base.
Ay, oo nga, no. May mga nest.
Dito kami sa bird sanctuary.
they're long legs.
Dito mga bird nagbili parang.
Hindi pa. Kaya watch out. Come on, Baba. That's it, Baba. Oo. Come on, duck. Kamandak daw, oh. What's that?
Can I take a picture?
Oh yeah,
Ano yan? Come on na.
yeah, please. And
Ano to? May sheep. A pig. Where's the pig? Ano yan? Ang liit naman. Ano yan? Guinea pig. Guinea pig.
natin bumalik sa
Garal. Kana. Anong klaseng animal? Ay, look at Baba.
guinea si Dan ng bata.
Mayroon siya.
You had a guinea pig.
Yes, baby. Ano?
This one. Copy this one.
Go, open that one. That's very gentle. Goat? Goat hand? Is it goat?
Mabalahibo na.
Oo. Holly, go, feed Holly. Flat, put your, yeah.
Like that, Baba, flat.
Flat, Baba. Diba? Hindi siya
Hindi natatakot yung isa sa gilid.
Yeah? Go, Baba. Wow. Wow. May pa-action pa siya.
Holly!
Sige, Baba. Baba.
Holly, look!
No, I don't want to, Zachary.
Baba, look.
Holly, look!
There's a sheep.
There's more here, Baba. May pa-action pa. Wait, Baba, let me see, Baba.
Uy, pinapalo ka ng boat.
Nasaan?
Mom! The goat!
Ano?
Hello, bird!
Go have a look at the rabbit bubs.
Hello! Sabi hello!
Say it.
Hello,
Hello,
bird!
bird.
Rabbit, go on there.
Hi. Hi. Say Chona and my kids. Chona and my kids. Aba. That's a rabbit.
Say subscribe!
Say, Baba, come here.
After about a kilo of bloody food went down there.
Ang cute ng koala. Ang laki nila. Tatlo. Ayun, peacock, guys, oh. Kasama ni koala. Guys, naka-line up ako dito sa ano. Sorry, si Tita Ray's fault, Baba. Tita Ray's fault. Naka-line up ako dito, guys, oh. Kasi gusto kong hawakan si koala. Si Sak daw sana ang height niya enough na para i-hold yung koala. Kasi gusto niya rin hawakan yung koala. Si Kuya ayaw niya, takot siya. Ayan, hintay lang kami dito, guys, oh. Ayun yung dalawang boys. Si Jan, tsaka si Dan, tapos si Holly, oh. Nandito na yung koala, guys, oh. Okay, Papa. Okay, Sak. Hold the koala. Hold the... Okay.
You're doing good, Zach.
Doing good, Zach. Good job. Okay, are you Holly? You too? Okay, gusto mo din? Okay. Thank you. Oh, go, Baba. Touch it, Baba. Go. Two hands. Look at Tito Dan. Look at Tito Dan, Baba. Baba, look at Tito Dan. Look at Tito Ray's. Look at Tito Ray's. Oh my gosh,
Did you cut it?
good girl, Baba. Oh, hug.
Okay, thank you for that.
Thank you. That lips helps the smell. Ayan guys, tapos na yung experience natin sa paghawak ng koala. Mabigat siya and very strong yung amoy niya. Mabaho siya. Pero yung leaves na kinakain niya, nakakatulong siya na para matanggal ng konti yung amoy niya. Kasi para siyang may...
This way, buddy.
Yung leaves niya, Race, parang may aroma na mint. Yung kinakain niyang leaves.
Baka mint talaga yun.
Oh, siguro. Ay, turtle, Baba. Ayan, turtles, oh. Yeah. Oh, turtles died. Okay, come on. Slowly, Baba. Why are you limping, Han? You're welcome. Give it to Daddy. Tapos na kami dito, guys. Huh? We don't have money. Yeah. Lady daw yung money niya. Ibinili niya na. Is it yummy? Tapos na kami dito sa Gorge Wildlife Park. So, ando na sila sa parking. Ayan, drive na ulit kami. Papunta na kami kila Kat. And si Kuya nagtatanong kung meron daw na other way aside dito. Ayaw niya dito.
Someone died.
Ang daming paikot-ikot, nahihilo na rin ako. So, dito lang naman sa, pababa. Ayan, pantay. Iba to. Ay, saan kayo pupunta? Umakyat kami. Hindi kami dito kanina. Pina-follow lang namin si Dan. Dito na kami sa bahay ni Kat. Eh, nakadalawa na akong tawag ni Kalikasan. Grabe.
Pumapayat ka na naman eh.
Pumapayat na ako kakabawas. Si Kat magluluto siya.
Joke lang, piniprepare ko lang.
Pinaprepare niya. Si Lyra magluluto ngayon.
Inantay niya lang daw sila, Wing. Pupunta sa kanila sila.
Pupunta.
Tapos, ito-drop niya lang yung book.
Okay, hindi po pala si Pomba kasi busy siya.
This one.
What's that?
Orange.
What are you doing with your orange?
Eating.
Vonka wants some, Baba. Vonka! Ayan na Vonka, oh. Dito na si Lai. Nag-take over na siya ng kusina. Ayan. Ayan. Luto na yung burger natin. And, ayan yung lettuce. And then, nagawa ko ng sauce para sa burger. Ayan, kinat yan ni Simple Race. Andun siya. Nagmamoira siya. And eto si Lai. Niluluto na yung paksiw na salmon. And eto, nandito yung french fries. Tapos yung mga bata kumakain. Yes, hindi pa siya tapos mag-concert. Yung mga bata yung kumakain na hindi pa siya tapos mag-concert. Tapos ayan, linagay ko rin yung tinapay dyan. Ang kulit niya, oh. Ang kulit ni Today, ah. Ayan sila, oh. Kumakain na sila. Gawin na natin yung burger ng boys. Ano lang?
Taking all the life, it hits the spot.
Sige. Bigay ko dito yung pinapayat.
I-melt namin yung yung cheese, tsaka ayan, papatungan ng isang burger kasi double burger to. So, ayan, i-open namin para mag-melt yung mag-melt yung cheese. Ayan ang itsura niya, guys. Oh. Diba?
Hindi ka nag-vlog? Vlog mo na doon eh.
Hindi. So, ganyan na yung itsura niya, oh.
Ikaw tagalagay, price loading. Asa yung vlog nila ito? Ayan!
Look into my eyes and show me your adventures I haven't seen.
Yan guys, ah. Kumakain na yung mga boys. Si Kuya, ayan, nag-burger din. Si Sack Rice and chicken nuggets sa kanya. Ayan.
Ako na drinks ha? Oo, dad.
Nina? Ito yung bopis ni Pompa.
Bupis daw,
Bupis. Sabi ko bupis. Ang sarap niyan. Thanks, phone pal. Wala siya, guys. Pinadala niya lang to sa amin. Kain na kami, guys. Pero nagluluto ulit ng kanin kasi kulang yung kanin namin. Ayan. Ayun kay Lai. Yes. Yeah, ayan. Nag-bat sila, oh. Ayan, guys. Nag-dessert na kami. Leche flan and ice cream. Si Jana katatlo na siyang slice ng leche flan. That's ice cream, Baba. Ayan, guys. Uwian na. Uwian na kasi may work pa yung mga tao. Uwian na. Uwian na. May work pa, may work. May mga work yan, no?
May work. May video ka? May duty ako.
Ha?
May video ka tulad?
Una, wag. Say bye.
Wala naman ako. Bye.
Bye.
Message ko.
Oo, thank you, Kat. Say bye.
Ang garap niya.
Go.
Sa kanya. Masama ka dyan. Where are you going? Let's go down. Thank you, guys.
Kumareng
Nina,
Nina, Jutme Ella, Alliana Bernabe, Pangilan, Vangie Lyn, Vangie Lyn.
Don't get a hashtag ChonaAndMyKids. Bye.
Barbecue doon. Pork o pork? Pork. Guys, naglinis. Udan. Okay lang. Tapos, ano? Ayan, guys, dito kami sa Pasyal. Ito yung totoong bus namin, guys. Guys, tingnan nga yung sura namin. Na malengke. Yes ba?
Pamalengke ay bibiro.